How many participants we have in sub-junior?
We have 8, right? Eight, right?
Yeah, 8. Yeah.
Good morning. Assalamu alaikum.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hafsa,
Yeah.
you're almost sister, right?
Yeah, I'm almost.
Yeah, every working.
I'm working in the Gems Modern Academy.
നേരത്തെ
നാദിൽ ഷിബയിലാണ് സ്കൂൾ ഉള്ളത്. നാദിൽ ഷിബയിലാണ്.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ.
ഒരു റെപ്റ്റൻ സ്കൂൾ ഉണ്ട്. റെപ്റ്റൻ സ്കൂളിന്റെ അടുത്ത് ISC IB കരിക്കുലം. സർ ക്ലിയർ ആവണില്ല, ഓഡിയോ ക്ലിയർ അല്ല.
Okay, 1 second, please. How is it now?
Better, but still breaking.
Okay, I think.
Better, yeah.
Okay. നേരത്തെ അവീറിലുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
അവീറിലല്ല, ഞാൻ ഒരു 2012 വരെ അവർ ഓൺ അൽക്കൂസിൽ വർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. എന്റെ വൈഫും ഫിസിക്സ് ടീച്ചറാണ്, ലീഡേഴ്സിലാണ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
ലീഡേഴ്സ് പ്രൈവറ്റ് സ്കൂൾ ഷാർജ.
ഷാർജ, റൈറ്റ്.
ഓക്കെ.
അല്ല, but she had been to there.
എന്താ പേര് ടീച്ചറുടെ പേരെന്താ?
പ്രതിഭ.
ഞാൻ എവിടെയെങ്കിലും കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോന്ന് അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ടാ ചോദിച്ചത്, എനിക്ക് ഓർമ്മയില്ല.
Right, so shall we start?
Yeah, 1 second. Some participants are not able to join. I'm just sending them the link to join, because they are not able to join to the portal.
That you can probably do in parallel. Rather, we can start with someone who is.
Yeah, so we can start the event. Good morning, everyone, and thanks for joining us. And first of all, I'll give an intro on the rules and regulations of the event. You will have 4 minutes for your presentation, and followed by 4 minutes of question answer session by the judges. Yeah, and after that, I'll give time for the judges to do their evaluation, and followed by the next. I'll be calling the chess numbers one by one in the order of in the ascending order, right? And now a word about the judges. We have Unni sir, Mr. Unni Krishnan. He is an electronics and communication engineer. He has 30 years of experience in various fields of technology. He's an enthusiast in popularization of science and spread of scientific temper among the young minds. We have Mr. Umar Sharif. He's the second judge. He's an electrical engineer by profession. He's a multi-talented persona with a passion for science. Our third judge is Mrs. Hafsa Faisal. She is head of Department of Physics in GEMS Modern Academy, and she has more than 20 years of teaching experience. So thanking you all again for joining us and being part of the Canvas 2020 event. So let's start. All of you are ready, right? Okay, so
Best of luck, everyone.
Yeah, excuse me? Yeah.
Best of luck, everyone.
Yeah, and wishing you all best of luck also. Okay, so I'll start with chess number 102. chest number 102. You're ready, right? Mola, you can, yeah, okay, fine. So you can start, your time starts now, all right?
Hi everyone, I'm Isra Afsal, chess number 102. Today I'm going to show an experiment about air pressure. First, I'm going to show how the experiment works, then I'll explain. For this experiment, we need a bottle, a bendable straw, hot glue, a balloon, scissors, a beaker with few drops of ink, first we take the bottle and make a hole near the mouth with the scissors. Then insert the straw with the bendable part outside. Then cover the hole with the hot glue. For these steps, we need an adult's help. Then we fill the bottle with water, but not fully. Now blow the balloon and hold its mouth tightly so that the air won't go out. Then place the balloon carefully on the bottle's mouth and clip it with a peg and release the air. The air from the balloon creates a pressure that compresses the water. And the water rises up and goes through the straw. Thank you.
Very good.
Okay, you finished, right?
Yes.
Just please note this was question number 102.
Okay.
I think we can go to the question and answer session from the judges. Just you have 4 minutes for the question and answer session. Please continue.
Yeah, madam, you may please proceed.
Yes, Isra. I just, it's nice to see, or it's nice to watch you presenting it. It was really good. Just one thing which I noted when you were telling, you were saying the water is not fully filled. Why was the water not fully filled?
So that
Or
the
if
air
it is fully
won't-
filled, or if it is fully filled, what was the problem? Just tell me about it.
So that the air won't.
Yeah, can you be a little more clear?
So that the air won't.
Will not go out. Is that what you told?
Yes.
Okay, you told me water inside the, the space inside the bottle should be there, or it should not be completely filled. That is what exactly I asked. Okay, Isra, thank you.
Hello, Isra.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Which class are you studying?
Grade 2.
Grade 2. Very good. Okay. So where did you get this bottle?
From my father's.
Wow. All right. Okay, so you made this one, right? You took help from the father for fixing the straw, you said, right?
Yes.
Okay. What is the name of the project you said?
Air pressure.
Air what?
Air pressure.
Air pressure. Okay. Okay. Good. All right. Sharif, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Isra.
Hi, sir.
Nice project. I enjoyed your presentation.
Thank you,
I
sir.
just like to ask you, if there was a hole in the bottle, what will happen?
The air will go out.
The water will still come through the straw?
No.
No. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, judges. Please note this was chess number 102. Okay. Next, we will go for what is it?
110.
Okay, next, judges, please note. Next, we have chess number 110. Can you please know unmute, please? Chess number 110. Judges, please note chess number 110.
Hello, everyone, and respected judges. I'm going to I'm going to show you the experiment fireworks in water. The materials you need are a glass and food colors, oil and some warm water. So first step is you have to pour warm water in these wood glasses. Now, in this glass, you have to pour oil. Now, you have to put some food color in the oil. Now, I'm pouring my second food color. Now, I'm pouring my third food color. Now, I'm going to mix it with a fork. have to wait for some time. Now you can see the fireworks coming. The oil is making a layer because the oil is lighter and the water is going down because the water is heavier. The food color droplets are squishing from the oil and coming down as fireworks. The oil is not mixing with the oil, water and food colors because the water and food color are heavy and the oil is lighter. The weight of liquids are called density. The water has high density and the oil has low density. When I put the paper on back, you can see it more clearly.
1 to 7.
Thank you. I hope you like the experiment.
is under.
And number 110. Judges, please note it was chess number 110.
Sound
Okay, now, judges, you can have the question answer session.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I hear your name?
Aditya.
Hi, Aditya. It was really very nice to see those wonderful colors in your glasses. Which class are you studying?
Grade 2A.
Grade 2. Okay. Have you done such experiments in the class?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Why did the what do you think as you asked us to wait for little time for the things to see, for the fireworks to see? Why did you ask us to wait, or why did it not happen immediately? Any comments?
Because to get some time to go down to the water and mix.
Okay. How does it go down? Why does it go down?
Because the food color is heavy.
Very good. Very good. Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Sorry.
Thank you, madam. In other judges, do you have any questions?
Yeah, Sharif.
Hi, Aditya.
Hi, sir.
I enjoyed your presentation.
Thank you.
Just not directly related to your experiment. In general, I'm asking, you used cooking oil in this experiment, right?
Yeah.
And you demonstrated that the cooking oil is lighter than water. Yeah, that is why it floated up and the color, everything went down. So I'm asking about another oil, the oil we fill, the fuel we fill in the car and all. Yeah, petrol, diesel. What about petrol? Is it heavier or lighter compared to water? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's also lighter.
It's also lighter. Okay, thank you.
Very good. Okay. What's your name, is that, dear? Hello. Hello, Manu. Hello. You can hear me?
So here is Aditya.
Aditya, you can hear me?
Properly, sir.
Aditya, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. It was really good experiment you showed us, Aditya. We all enjoyed it. Okay. So which grade are you?
Grade 2.
Grade 2. Very good. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Admin?
Yes, sir. You finished your question. Anything else? Okay. Okay. Thank you, judges. We had just number 110. Please note it was just number 110. Thank you, Aditya. Next we will have just number. Just wait. Next we have chess number 115. 115, Mone, are you ready? Please unmute your audio. Yeah, chess number 115. Judges, please note this is chess number 115. Can you talk? Can you please unmute it? Okay, please, can you please talk and can you hear me?
Hi,
Yeah.
my name is Aman. I am going to blow this candle without blowing it. There's the candle, and I put a bottle. This is because if the candle needs oxygen to burn, and without oxygen it cannot burn. When the candle burns out, water also gets in the bottle because the air contrasts, so the water rises. Thank you.
Hi, Aman. You are in which class, Aman?
Grade 3.
Okay. When anything, when it burns, what is necessary for it to burn?
The candle needs air to burn.
Okay.
Oxygen.
Oxygen you require to burn. Okay. So you used a word contract. What is the meaning of contract?
Decreasing.
Okay. Decreasing. Thank you so much, Tanay. Sorry, sir. Thank you so much, Aman.
Hi, Aman. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. Okay. So, what happens to the oxygen when you burn? You know?
When I put the glass,
Yeah.
the oxygen decreased, so the candle burned out.
All right. Okay. So, do we need oxygen for anything? For, hello, Aman. Aman,
Yes.
you have a very good experiment. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Aman.
Hi.
If we had a jar or something bigger in size instead of the glass, what difference you will see? Now you used a glass, right?
Yes.
Instead of that, if you use a bigger glass or a jar or something, what difference we will see?
The candle will burn out more.
Can
Will
you
burn out
explain?
more later.
Exactly. Very good. You know why? Yeah?
Yes.
Why?
Thank you.
Thank you, judges. Thank you. Thank you, Aman. Also, judges, please note this was chess number 115. Now, we will move to chess number 116. Judges, please note chess number 116. And the participant, please switch on your video also. Yeah, judges, please note this is chess number 116. Yes, Mola, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, please continue.
Good morning, judges and my dear friends. Today I am going to do a density experiment. For this experiment, we need 2 glasses, 2 lemons, some spoons, some water, and some salt. First, take the first glass, then pour some water in it. Then add the lemon to it. We can see that the lemon is sinking. Now take the second glass, add water to it. Then add some salt. Then mix it. Then add the lemon to it. We can see that the lemon is floating. Why the lemon sink? Why did the lemon sink in the first glass? Because the density of lemon is denser than the density of water. The density of lemon is 1010 kg per meter cube and the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Why is the lemon floating in the second glass? Because the density of lemon is denser than saline water. The density of lemon is 1010 kg per meter cube and the density of saline water is 1030 kg per meter cube. From this, we can conclude that if any object that is denser than water will sink, but if any object that is less denser than water will float. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Molay, judges, please note that was just number 116. I think we can move on to the question answer session by the judges. Judges, please, madam.
Okay. 116. May I know your name, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Avani.
Yes, Avni. It was very nice watching you presenting it, Avni. Just
you, ma'am.
one thing I just want you to ask, because it is the same water you have put in both the glasses. Also, you have just added a little salt to the second one.
Yes.
How did the density increase when you put salt into it?
First
Or why do you say that its density is more?
First we add the water, then we add the salt. We also add the density of salt to the water. So it becomes 1030 kg.
Okay. You are in which class?
Grade 3.
Grade 3. Can you just tell me what do you mean by density? What does density mean?
Density is mass per unit volume.
Okay, so that is what exactly I asked. When you put salt into the water, how did the density increase?
The density increased when the salt was also added.
Okay, thank you, Avni.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam. Uni sir, please.
All right. There was a very good experiment. They presented it well. You said your
Thank you, sir.
third standard, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Sharif, you can go ahead with the questions.
Hi, Avani.
Hi, sir.
Nice presentation.
Thank you, sir.
I'll just ask you a question related to this, not directly related to your experiment.
Okay, sir.
Have you heard of Black Sea or the Dead Sea?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
why it is special?
The Dead Sea contains more salt, and we can float on water, but we'll never sink.
Very good. So you know it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, judges. Thank you, Molay.
Thank you, sir.
You.
Okay, judges, please note that was chess number 116. And now we will move on to chess number 127. Judges, please note chess number 127. Ola, can you hear me? Chess number 127. Yeah, please unmute. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, just please note just chess number 127. It is chess number 127. Ola, you can start.
We need a paper and cut it a shape like a flower and fold the petals. And put it in the water. And it starts to bloom. My science experiment is about capillary action of water. The power of a liquid to flow in narrow spaces without external help is called a capillary action. In some cases, liquids flows from low level to high level. There are small fibers inside the paper. Water gets into it due to capillary action. Thank you.
Thank you. Chess number 127. Just please note it was chess number 127. We'll move on to the question and answer session. Madam, please.
Can I just hear your name?
Nayama.
Okay. You were talking about that flower. Actually, what did you do with the flower?
I fold the flower's petals and put it in the water and it bloomed.
It bloomed. Okay. Same thing. Can you think about something which you will be doing every day in your, when you bath and when you want to, dry yourself with a towel? How is it helping you? Or can you relate what you have done with that? Anyway? Or do you have anything else to say other than this in order to relate what you're saying? Any other example, what you see at home? Tissue, very good. So when water is spilled, you put tissue on it. Okay, very good. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Unisa, please.
All right, okay. Could you you were talking about capillary. Which standard are you, which grade are you, Anya?
Grade 2. I'm in second standard.
You are in second standard, very good, okay. So, you know what is capillary action? You study that in your class? You study that? All right, okay. So it was a good experiment, Molu.
Thank you.
Sharif.
Thank you, Unisa. Sharif sir, please.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, just it was a tell you it was a nice experiment. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't have any questions. Thank you. I enjoyed it.
Admin.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Morab. Thank you, judges. It was chess number 127. Now we have only one more chess number pending. It is chess number 126. Judges, please note, it is chess number 126.
Hello everyone. My name is Shiza. My chess number is 126. COVID-19 or coronavirus is a pandemic that has spread all over the world. And pulmonologists are the heroes. So everyone is aware of our lungs. And so I have decided to make a model of the biggest internal body part, the lungs. So the materials are super glue. You can use hot glue or super glue. I'm using super glue. 2 balloons and 1 more balloon. I have cutted this balloon. 3 straws. You have to cut it. And we have to cut a bottle. And the straw, we need to put a hole inside the straw. Inside the cap. So now let's start. First take the super glue. Then put it inside this for it to stick to the other straw. Now you need to put sellotape on this, on the straw. And now you place the big straw and take a tape. You have placed the straw inside the straws. First, I'm going to put it inside the bottle's cap. I'll fold this. That it goes inside. You put this inside the bottle cap and unfold it. And now we should put it inside the straw. Then we put sellotape. And now we need to take the balloons and cut them. Cut only this part. And stick it to the we need to check its size. If it's not same, we need to cut it again. And now we need to take the part which we kept aside and stick the balloon into it. Take the tape. And take the tape and stick it to the balloon. do the same thing that side. That's that side. And now we put it inside the bottle. And put. Now take the red balloon which we have broke. Put it inside the bottle. First you need to screw the cap. Then put it inside the balloon. You need to fix the balloon again. You need to tip the balloon very deep inside. Stop ignoring me. Need to fix the red balloon so it's not. You need to put the red balloon. There should be this coming. Now our lungs is ready.
All right, very good.
Thank you.
All right, can you show the lungs? I mean, we are clear. You are using a mobile, is it?
Huh?
Are you using mobile there or laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop. It is not very. Can you just show that? We are not able to see it fully. Maybe you have to move a little bit further. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, if anybody is there, can you adjust the camera that the judges can see the? Okay, that will be great.
Yeah. A little bit. We don't see her face also. What's your name?
Cesar.
Elsa. How are you, Elsa?
What?
How are you?
Fine.
Good. All right. So still I cannot see your face. I don't know. It's my problem.
Just the camera that the judges can see. Okay, fine.
Yeah, very good. Now I can see. All right. So you made a lung, is it?
Yeah.
It was really good. You know, you did all your experiment real time in front of the people. Good.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Can I show how it works? You press. Show that again once more.
The orange part is the part of the lungs.
Then how
This
the lung
is
expands?
the under part of the lungs.
What is that called? All right.
It's like this.
Never mind. Okay. So what you should do, normally you can make and keep the project ready before the presentation. All right. So all you should have done it before that. Otherwise, we have a time restriction here. You have to finish it in say 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So a lengthy project, you cannot do that in front of the judge or when you're exhibiting that. So always keep in mind, it's better you make everything ready and show. But we thoroughly enjoyed the way you made it. So we know that the entire thing is done by you. That way is very good.
Thank you.
So next time, just we will have this sort of science project competition coming up very frequently. So always participate. All right. So that time you keep your project ready with you. That would be better.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Just number 126. Any other judges you have questions for her?
Yeah, Elsa, I thoroughly enjoyed the way you were, doing it. It was really interesting and nice to watch, except what sir told, you should have just had a ready-made experiment and then you need to just show how it is to be done or just explain it. I just want to know, is it a working experiment? Because you just showed a model. Is it a working model?
No.
No. Okay. Okay.
But
Actually, the
it's
same
used
thing.
from recycling.
Actually, the same thing what you have done, it can be performed as a working model. It is almost near to a working model. So if Unnikrishnan sir was telling, same thing, if you had done it earlier, you could have just blown and you will see the lungs contracting and expanding. Okay, it was really nice watching you. Okay, so you can just keep in mind what sir has told. It is a very good tip what he has given you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Afsa madam. I think we can wind up there towards our last participant, just number 126. So please note, it was just number 126, and she was our last participant. Okay, everyone, congrats for participating. Everybody did very well, and we'll announce the winners later. I think all the participants, you are free to leave now. So once again, congratulations for the participation. You did a very, very great job. So all the participants, you can leave. Judges, please wait for a minute. Let the participants leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It was muted. Do you have the email IDs to which the judge? Yeah. There is a slight change in that. I wanted you to copy me in that. Okay. Can I give my email address?
Yeah.
because we'll be tabulating and sending to the other organizers. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Shall I share it in the chat window, my email ID? So you can add that also along with the others.
Yeah.
So it's sajeershah@gmail.com. SAJEERSHAH@gmail.com. Yeah, I put it in the chat window.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can copy me too. Because we have very less time to, so we are doing all the coordinations between.
Hang on, Sajesh Shah.
Yeah.
You sent that in the.
Yeah, in the chat.
Somehow that disappeared from my screen. Can you give to me in a private one?
Yeah, all right.
All right. Thank you. Leave now.
Yeah, you will be sending it now, right?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, all right.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you
you
all.
so much.
Thank you all for being part of this. I really appreciate the way you have handled, and thank you very much. Yeah, so
Thank
we are
you.
ending the event. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you.
Okay, well. Okay, see you all in the afternoon.
Yeah.
See you all. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye. We can leave right now.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Umar bhai, I think we'll end the meeting. Yeah. Let's stop recording. Yes. Stop live.